All right, guys, so we've been wanting to do this for a while now. And what it is being able to watch Netflix with your Fire Stick on a Royal Caribbean TV, specifically the one here on Harmony of the Seas. So Claire's been wanting to do this for a while now, to be able to watch Netflix at night while going to bed. And I know several of you guys have been wanting to do the same thing instead of watching the random, stations that are given to you on the TV for Royal Caribbean. So let me show you how it's done. First, pull the TV away from the wall. Then you want to take your Fire Stick and plug it into HDMI 2. And with a supplied cable with the USB and micro USB, you want to plug the USB end to the USB port in the TV. This will allow the power of the TV to power up the Fire Stick. And that's it behind the TV. So after you make all the connections behind the TV with the Fire Stick and giving it power with the USB cable that's provided with the Fire Stick, you'll notice right when you turn on the TV, you're going to see the main home screen that you normally would see on a Royal Caribbean TV. The one thing that's different that's provided with the TV are the remotes that you get in your stateroom, right? So this is the actual remote here, and as you can see, there isn't a source button to be able to change your input of the TV. And if you remember, what we did was plug in the Fire Stick into HDMI 2. So we need to be able to change the source. So this is a universal remote, and I'll leave a link down in the description below. But as you can see in the top right-hand corner is a source button, which is what we need to be able to change the input of the TV to HDMI 2. So let's go ahead and do that. And it takes a couple seconds here for it to recognize. So as you can see, now we could change the source selection here. So what we did was plug in the Fire Stick to HDMI 2. As you remember, we're going to go to HDMI 2, hit select, and now this is the home screen of the Fire Stick. Now the home screen with the Fire Stick here is as you would normally see it if you were at home, but once you plug this in, this will actually be blank. So what we need to do is go all the way to your settings, all the way to the far right here, and then go into applications. Put in your code if you have one. And then what you want to do is go into manage installed applications and then scroll all the way down to downloader. Now the recommendation is actually to download downloader at home before you actually get on the cruise ship. So once you do that and everything's plugged in, you want to hit launch application. And then on the far left here, you want to go to browser. And in this window, it's basically, like your typical browser. So what you need to do is be able to log into Royal Caribbean's login page. And by doing that, all you do is type in login.com. So once you click on that, as you can see here, this window pops up so you can manually enter your login.com. And so I'm not going to be able to do this on here since I've already done it before. The recommendation here is to purchase a separate VOOM package for your Fire Stick. Yeah, it's unfortunate you have to do that, but if you want to be able to do this cleanly, highly recommend purchasing a separate VOOM package this for your Fire Stick. That way your Fire Stick has the capability of logging in and connecting to the ship's Wi-Fi. So after you go through the whole login process, you're going to see everything kind of work and connect. So once that's done, you're basically going to be able to go to your main home page of your Fire Stick and be able to log into any apps, features that you have on your Fire Stick. So as you can see, everything works perfectly fine. We got YouTube running, and well, there you go. There's Claire and Michael. So this is actually our latest video that just came up, and it's really just a room tour of our cabin on Utopia of the Seas. But yeah, YouTube works just fine. And went ahead and opened up Netflix, and the show that Claire likes to watch as going to bed is Gilmore Girls. So let's go ahead and click on that, see if that plays. And we actually just started the season all over again. So here's season 1, and there you go. Everything works. And there you go, guys. It's that easy. It really is that easy. It took a little bit to figure out the whole downloader piece early on. But again, make sure you download the downloader app prior to coming on the ship. That way it's already an app on your Fire Stick. So highly recommend doing that. Highly recommend doing this, especially if you're someone that needs TV or a show on the background as you're going to bed. So anyways, hope you guys found this helpful. It was extremely helpful for us. And if you did, hit that like button. And make sure you check out our Harmony of the Seas series as we spend 7 nights on this cruise ship. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.